Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time. Today we're November 13th, 2020, and our goal is to get a 90% or higher on end of module. Today we are doing lesson 17, and our objective is I can model subtraction of 8 from team numbers. So we're going to continue using the take from 10 strategy, but this time we're going to subtract 8 instead of 9. These are our key points. How are we going to be successful? Well, we need to know what subtraction is, which this is the minus sign for subtraction. We also need to know what our leftover parts are, which are parts that we have left, right? We also need to know what a number bond looks like because we still use the number bond, and we know that it has two parts and a whole. We need to know what a number sentence is, which this right here is an example of a subtraction number sentence. 8 minus 3 equals 5. And then we need to know what our team numbers are. And our team numbers are any numbers from 11 through 19, any number that has has 110 in the front. So how are we going to be successful? Well, first we're going to draw the whole group the 5 group way and circle 10. Second, we're going to decompose the team numbers to match your representation. 3, we're going to identify the part being taken away. 4, we're going to cross out from our 10 ones. And then finally, we're just going to add our leftover parts to find our solution. So let's go ahead and start. Make sure that at this moment you have your whiteboard ready or a piece of paper so that you can practice the problems. It's very important that we practice. Let's listen first. Markers and pencils part. I'm going to read the problem. It says, let me get my pen. It says, Ion had 15 building blocks. How many building blocks? Get ready. Yes, 15. He used 8 of them to make a car. How many did he use? Get ready. Yes, 8. How many blocks were left? Go ahead and solve this problem on your own. Press play when you're ready to check your work. I'm going to read it one more time. Remember, he has 15 building blocks and he used 8 of them to make a car. Go ahead and work. Well, at this time, let's go ahead and see what you did in your work compared to mine. Ready? Here's a set of 15 linking cubes to show how many building blocks Ion had in the beginning. So you should have drawn in your paper or whiteboard 15 circles. Here I have 15 cubes to show his building blocks, the total number, right? That's his whole number. So to use the take from 10 strategy, we will break the team number. So we will decompose it, which we've already been doing. So we will break it apart into what 2 parts? Well, here it is. I just broke apart my 15 blocks. Remember, you're listening, you're marking your pencils part, and you're listening right now. So he started with 15, and we need to break it apart into what 2 parts? Get ready. Yes, 10 and 5. Very good. So, how many blocks did he use to make a car? Get ready. Yes, 8. So we need to take away 8 of those. Remember that you always box 10 if you didn't box in your representation. Sorry for my box, guys. It's very messy. And do we take away 8 from 10 or 5? Well, let's think about this. Can I take away 8 blocks from these 5? Get ready. No, right? We don't have enough. Well, can we take away 8 from 10? Get ready. Yes, from 10. So everybody cross out only 8. Remember, make sure that you're crossing off only 8. Or make sure that in your picture you crossed off 8. If you didn't, go ahead and fix it. So 10 minus 8 is what? How many do we have left inside the box? Get ready. Yes, 2. Very good. How many do we have left outside the box? Get ready. Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 5 equals, get ready. Yes, 7. So 15 minus 8 equals 7. Make sure that you had boxed your answer so that we know what your answer is. Exactly what we've been doing, but now we are just subtracting 8. Ready to practice some more? Let's go ahead and erase our whiteboards and go ahead and press pause so that you can erase. Press play when ready. Here we go. Here we have 11 minus 8. Go ahead and write 11 minus 8 on your whiteboards or on your paper. So now, what do we need to break our stick into to be able to use the take from 10 strategy? But before you all do that, we have to do key point number 1. Go ahead and draw your whole number. What is our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 11. So go ahead and draw 11, just like my cubes right here, and box 10. Ready? Now we decompose the team number to match our picture. So do the little lines under to form our little number bond under 11 because we're going to break it apart. Into what 2 parts? Look at your picture. How many inside the frame? How many outside the frame? Get ready. 10 and 1. Yes. So go ahead and write 10 and 1. Ready? Now we have to identify how many we're taking away. So how many are we taking away in 11 minus 8? Get ready. Yes, we're taking away 8. So let's go ahead and cross off 8 together. Remember to only cross off 8. Then all we have to do is add our leftover parts to find our solution. So look at how many do you have left inside the frame? Get ready. Yes, you have 2 left. How many left outside the frame? Get ready. Yes, 1. So 2 plus 1 equals, get ready. Yes, 3. So 11 minus 8 equals 3. Go ahead and box your answer. Great job, boys and girls. At this moment now, go ahead and again erase your whiteboard or find the next space on your paper. Let's practice some more. Ready? Here we have 12 minus 8. Go ahead and draw the whole number. So what is our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 12. Go ahead and draw 12 and circle 10. If you need more time, remember to press pause at any time. Sorry for my box. So now that we drew and we circled 10, now we have to decompose our team number to match our drawing. So we have to break apart our team number, which is 12, to match our drawing. Into what 2 parts do we break it apart into? Get ready. Yes, 10 and 2, because you have 10s inside the frame and 2 outside the frame. So 10 and 2. Now, we have to identify the part being taken away. How many are we taking away in 12 minus 8? Get ready. Yes, 8. So now we cross out from our 10 once, because remember, can we cross out 8 from 2? No, we do not have enough. So let's go ahead and cross off 8 from our 10 ones. Then all we have to do is add our leftover parts to find our answer. How many circles inside the frame? Get ready. Yes, 2. How many outside? Get ready. Yes, 2. So 2 plus 2 equals, get ready. Yes, 4. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. Way to go. Let's practice some more. Go ahead and erase your whiteboard. Ready? Go ahead and solve 14 minus 8 on your own. Press play to check your work. At this moment, you should already have your answer. I'm going to go over it. Your markers or your pencils are parked and you're listening. If you made a mistake, you can go ahead and fix it. So follow along. 14 minus 8. What is our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 14. So you should have drawn 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you should have circled 10 or boxed 10. Next, you should have decomposed 14 into 2 parts to match your picture. How many circles inside the frame? Get ready. Yes, 10. How many outside the frame? Get ready. Yes, 4. So now we identify the number being taken away. How many are we taking away in 14 minus 8? Get ready. Yes, 8. So that means we have to cross off 8. Go ahead and cross off, well, you should have crossed off 8. And finally, you should have just add your leftover parts. How many circles left inside? Get ready. Yes, 2. How many circles left outside? Get ready. Yes, 4. So 2 plus 4 equals, if you do not know, remember you can count on. You have 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 14 minus 8 equals 6. Your answer should have been 6. Make sure that that is what you got. If you got it correct, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Even if you just tried your very best, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's keep on practicing. Ready? Here's another one. Go ahead and solve 15 minus 8. Press play when you're ready and you're done with the problem so that you can check your work. At this time, you should have all your work done. So now you're listening so that you can see if you got it correct. Ready? So first we have to draw our whole number the 5 group way and circle 10. What is our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 15. So you should have drawn 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you circle 10. Next, you should have decomposed. Remember, you're supposed to break apart the T number into 2 parts and match your drawing. What 2 parts did you break it apart into? Get ready. Yes, it should have been 10 and 5. Next, you should have identified and crossed off the number you are taking away. How many are you taking away? Get ready. Yes, 8. So go ahead and cross off 8. And last, you should have add your leftover parts. How many circles left inside the box? Get ready. 2. How many circles left outside the box? Get ready. 5. So 2 plus 5 is, get ready. 7. So 15 minus 8 equals 7. You should have gotten 7 as your solution. Let's practice. Go ahead and solve this one on your own. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Ready? So by now you should have shown all your work. And your first key point says that you identify the whole number, draw it the 5 group way, and circle 10. So, what is our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 17. So let's go ahead and you should have drawn 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And you should have circled 10. Next, you should have decomposed your T number into 2 parts to match your drawing. What 2 parts did you decompose it into? Look at your drawing. How many inside the box? How many outside? Get ready. Yes, 10 and 7. Next, you identify and you cross off the number being subtracted, which is the number being taken away. So how many are we crossing off? Get ready. Yes, 8. You should have crossed off only 8. Now, you should just add your leftover parts. How many circles left inside the box? Get ready. 2. How many circles left outside? Get ready. 7. And 2 plus 7 equals, get ready, 9. Remember, you can also count on to find your answer. You know you have 7, and then you count on 8, 9. So 17 minus 8 equals 9. Way to go, boys and girls, at practicing, but using the take from 10 strategy. Awesome job. So this ends our lesson for today. Make sure that you're ready to log into your live session because we will be using Pear Deck for today. So make sure that you're ready to log into Pear Deck and to your live session as well. You need to be logged into both. See you then.